I've always wanted an e-scooter, but I wasn't sure which one to purchase. Well, luckily for me, Mearth released a GTS Max from their GTS series, and this thing is an absolute beast. I love it, and this is the king of all off-road e-scooters. And if you're looking at getting an e-scooter for your everyday travel or off-road, definitely look no further than the Mearth GTS Max. This is a premium foldable electric scooter, and it's designed for the everyday commuter and the off-road rider. And I love it. This thing is more powerful, more durable, and this is best for your extreme riding adventures. As you can see here, the suspension on this is quite crazy, so let's take it for a test drive. And to be honest, I loved every moment on this scooter. In fact, everyone that was watching me wanted to have a go as well, and I allowed them because this thing is pretty durable, and everyone couldn't believe how easy it was to pick up. Like, you literally just jump on the Mearth scooter, you pull the throttle, and off you go. Balance was not a problem whatsoever. It wasn't intimidating at all, and to be honest, it took me a while to get the people off it because I'm like, guys, I gotta film this video, let's go. But guys, like I said before, this is lightweight, it's foldable, and it's rechargeable as well. And Mearth electric scooters is a great, sustainable, and environmentally friendly alternative to your everyday commute. And guys, look no further than Mearth. Hashtag Ride with Mearth. And if you want to know some more information, definitely check out my description below for more information about Mearth and where to get their products. Good luck and happy riding.